Now our topic is potential energy. See, now potential energy is related with the position of that object. Is for example, if one object is of the fifth floor, so because of that height, it that object possesses some potential energy. If it is on 10th floor, so 10th floor object having more potential energy than the fifth floor object. Similarly, if we stretch some spring, there will be potential energy possessed in that spring, because when we compress it, restoring force will be exerting on the opposite side. Is for example like this. If we compress this spring by external force, that restoring force will be exerted due to that spring, that is because of potential energy, and this potential energy related with this object because of its material. Similarly, earlier I just gave the example of that building. See, if we are having fourth floor, first floor we are having some object, so that distance is for example 10 meter, and this is of 50 meter, right? So because of bigger height, 50 meter having more potential energy than the 10 meter, so that is because of height difference. Another example, if we are having that arrow and bow example, right? So we use this string as an elastic material. Elastic material, because of its material, it have more potential energy. If we stretch this string up to its boundary limit, potential energy will be maximum, but till its boundary limit. But if we further increase it, it will be cut it off, so potential energy will be gone then. So here we have to stretch only till its boundary limit, then we will get more potential energy. As a result, we are getting kinetic energy of that arrow. So in this particular example, potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy, because earlier we stretched that string, and when we just remove that force, then this arrow will be in motion, and because of that motional arrow, we are having kinetic energy which is possessed by this arrow. So these are the examples of potential energy.